One of the mistakes I see on the road, especially at nighttime and especially when it's raining, is people lose track of which lane they're in as they're coming up to an intersection that has a bend in it. They're used to continuing straight, so when they get up to that intersection, they suddenly find themselves in a situation that is not clear to them, and sometimes they pick the wrong lane as their continuation lane. So as we're coming up here, we've chosen to be in the leftmost lane here, and we need to be thinking that, hey, there are only two lanes going into this intersection. So if, as I'm coming up to this intersection, right about here, I mix up and go into this lane, I'm going to be cutting off the vehicle next to me, right? And so this is why it's so important to be present behind the wheel, thinking, okay, if I'm in the leftmost lane, there is a rightmost lane next to me. It would make sense that this lane coming up here is for this lane and is for the vehicles in this lane, and the one that I'm in would have to be the second lane here. Um, some intersections are particularly bad for this. This one, for the most part, people seem to know which lane to be carrying on in, but there are intersections here in Victoria, BC, where I see time and time again um, people approach, and midway in the middle of the intersection, they switch into the second lane, or this vehicle switches into this lane, uh, and then the other car ends up having to yield or perform an evasive maneuver to not let a collision happen. So stay present, look ahead, scan ahead, figure out where the continuation of your lane is.